Welcome back. If you need a refresher on how to handle your Tigerfish system, you've come to the right place. This clip demonstrates how to take it down and store it without using a single tool. First, disconnect the container by unscrewing the pigtail from the frame. Your Tigerfish was made specifically for you, being left or right-handed, so your dominant hand does all the twisting. While you're down there, remove the solution tube by pushing the collar back and pulling out the tube. It may take a few tugs to separate these watertight connections. Now you can break down the frame. Approaching from the front, remove the hitch pins from the angles by pulling up on the top and sliding the pin toward you. Once the angles are free, rotate them down to the struts, leaving the pins attached. Disconnect the solution tubes from the forward crossbar the same way you disconnected the container tube. If you have ultraviolet emitters, unscrew the pigtail with your dominant hand. The crossbars fit snugly and need twisting to release. The side frame should be stored back to back, freestanding with legs in, holding the frames against each other. This keeps the frames upright and prevents long-term bending or sagging. The legs can be removed and stored to avoid bumping into things while the side frames are moved to storage. Leaning them up against the wall is okay, if only for a day or two. If you intend to store your Tigerfish for a longer period of time, it's a good idea to close the secondary tank valve. Remove the skirt, open the lid, and close the manual tank valve by turning it 90 degrees. That's all there is to it. 4 pins, a few pigtails, and plumbing connections, and it stores effortlessly in minutes. May the Tigerfish be with you.